Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be solving a question related to Maths Olympiad. So the question says if x plus 1 over x equals to 3, then we should find x cubed plus 1 over x cubed. Meaning, they give us this function. The value of x plus its reciprocal is 3. And we're asked to find the cube of x and its reciprocal. The reciprocal, I mean 1 over x and 1 over x cubed. So now, how do we find the value of x cubed plus 1 over x cubed here? So now, to solve this, we're going to relate this equation with the knowledge we receive in Pascal triangle as binomial expansion. So now, in Pascal triangle, we know how to plot the Pascal triangle. So we are going to use the triangle and expand this equation, so that we are going to find the value of x cubed and then its reciprocal. So now we were given this and they said this is equal to 3. So now if I start by assumption, since this is cubed, so what if I cube this side and this side, cubing the right hand side and the left hand side, meaning 1 over x plus 1 over x all cubed is equal to 3 cubed. So I'm trying to yield the equation x cubed plus 1 over x cubed to find the coefficient or the value of this function. That is why I'm cubing both sides of the equation. So now, from this, I can go back to Pascal triangle where we said the value a plus b raised to the power of 0. We know in plotting the triangle, this is 1, right? Then a plus b raised to the power of 1 will give us 1, 1. And a plus b raised to the power of 2 will give us 1. Add these two together, this is 2, then bring down this 1. We are finding the coefficient of the powers. So this is a plus b raised to the power of 3. So this is 1, 1 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, then drop down this one. So now this is the coefficient of power 3. So now, using the value of this coefficient of power 3 to expand this bracket using the Pascal triangle, let's see. Now I want to expand this bracket. X plus 1 over x all cubed is equal to the coefficient. Remember, the coefficient is 1, 3, 3, 1, right? So now I have this value raised to the power. This one is multiplying the coefficient, the values here. X raised to the power of 3 times this one, 1 over x raised to the power of 0. Then this value will now be decreasing. The power of this x will now be decreasing, while the power of this 1 over x, the reciprocal, will now be increasing. So next, plus. Multiply this 3 times this x raised to the power of 2 will now be decreasing. Then 1 over x raised to the power of 1 plus. Multiply this 3 by this x raised to the power of 1. Then 1 over x raised to the power of 2 plus. Multiply this 1 by x raised to the power of 0 and 1 over x raised to the power of 3. So now if we open the bracket, this is 1 over x raised to the power of 0 is still 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times x cubed is still x cubed plus. Next, this 1 over x raised to the power of 1 is still 1 over x. So x will reduce 1x here. So I will be left with 3 times x is 3x. Plus this is x squared. So 1x, x raised to the power of 1 is still x raised to the power of 1. So 1x will reduce this x squared by 1. So I have 3 times 1 is 3 over x. Then 1 of the x is gone. Then next I have plus. X raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is still 1. 1 raised to the power of 3 is 1. So I have 1 over x raised to the power of 3 is x. So now I have factorized this or simplified this. So next is to simplify, or I can collect the like terms together. This is x raised to the power of 3 and this is x raised to the power of 3. Remember, I have this equation is equal to 3x cubed. So this is equal to 3x raised to the power of 3. Sorry, 3 raised to the power of 3, which is 27. So I can equate this by 27, equate this by 27. So here, if I collect the like terms, I have x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus what I have here is 3x plus 3 over x is equal to 27. So remember, the question says if x plus 1 over x is equal to 3, meaning the whole of this function, x plus 1 over x is 3. So I can factorize this 3 to have x plus 1 over x, right? So if I can do that, then I can say this is equal to x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 3 is common. If I factorize 3, I will have 3 into x plus. If I remove 3 from here, I'll be left with x. If I remove 3 from here, I have 1 over x. So 1 over x is equal to 27. But remember, they said x plus 1 over x is equal to 3. So I can substitute this value by 3. So therefore, I will say x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 3 times 3 is equal to 27. 3 times 3, of course, is 9. We have x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 3 times 3 is 9 is equal to 27. So take this 9 to crosses the equality. I have x cubed plus 1 over x cubed is equal to 27 minus 9. So I have x cubed plus 1 over x cubed is equal to 18. 27 minus 9 is 18. So therefore, the value of x cubed and its reciprocal is equal to 18. So this solves the equation. They say we should find x cubed plus its reciprocal. So the value of x cubed and its reciprocal is 1 over 8. So thank you for your time. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. I will see you some other time with another exciting episode on Math with